Today, we're going to be unboxing the Bridge Bath Lift by Mobile Patient Lift. The Bridge Bath Lift was designed to make bathing safer and more comfortable for people with limited mobility. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. Our first item is the backrest. This is a nice and comfortable padded seat cover, which is fully removable and easy to clean. The backrest also includes the most essential element of the Bridge Bath Lift, the actuator bar. This powerful, smooth, and quiet motor can deliver up to 120 lifts per charge and is easily operated by the hand control, which we will go over soon. Up next, we have the seat base, which includes seat flaps that allow you to transfer easily in and out of the bathtub. Underneath, there are 6 suction cups that can be used to attach the lift to the bottom of the bathtub for additional stability. That's a great feature because it means that the Bridge Bath Lift won't slide around or tip over while in use. As mentioned before, we have the floating waterproof remote control. This is really simple and easy to use. You can raise and lower the seat with these buttons, and should you ever need it, there's an emergency stop. Finally, we have the battery charger, which connects easily to the remote control. This device is ready to be used after installation in your bathroom, which is a quick and easy process. Let's take a look. To assemble, unfold the flaps on the base, take the bottom of the backrest, where the hooks are, and align it over the base bar like so. From here, you'll need to apply pressure on each side to connect them. Now you'll align your actuator on the back of the backrest to the seat base. You can now plug in your hand controls, making sure that the battery is fully charged prior to use. Simply take both ends and stick them together. Once in the bathtub, you can adjust the height and angle of the backrest, allowing you to recline as far as you desire after a full descent. When not in use, you can use the control hook on your hand control to easily access for later use. The best part is that the whole thing is battery powered, so you don't need to worry about electrical outlets or cords. Charging the Bridge Bath Lift is easy. Unplug the hand controls from the lift and plug it into the battery charger. You will know that the battery is fully charged when the light on the hand control turns green. Personally, I believe a lot of people can benefit from a product like this one. It's well designed and clearly has been created for the needs of the user in mind. If you or someone you know is struggling with mobility issues and wants to take a safe and comfortable bath, I would recommend checking out the Bridge Bath Lift. If you have any questions about the Bridge Bath Lift or specific needs, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.